Hello everybody, Joe Wright here. I just want to show you a little quick lick here. We're going to be working strings 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which can get very confusing because as we know, the third string is the highest string. So let's go on ahead and look down here at the guitar. We'll switch this camera back to a right hand. Oh, it's underneath. Well, I want to see right hand, so let's go to this camera. Watch that. There we go. Okay, now we're on. You can see our fingers ready to go. We're going to play. Well, all I want you to do is let's play this in C. So just bar at 8, so that's all that matters. I'm on 3, 2, 1, thumb, index, middle, and I'm just going to play a thumb 2 alternate right there. I want you to drop down to the next group position, 3 to 4, position 4, your thumb's your position, and play thumb 2. Then I want you to hit your A pedal only and hit 5. So we're going to go. Now you've heard that, so we could do that as a... Now, going back, we got to see it as, watch this, we're going to go 5, 2, 4, 1. So it's an alternate, so we can go up going 5, 2, 4, 1. Watch this. Back and forth. So when I play this here, when I play that note, that finger stays right there and the thumb goes down. So now I'm ready to go back. Because that's all I'm doing is this alternate, thumb 2, thumb 2. Here's thumb 2, 3 to 1, 4 to 2, 5, then 5 to 2, 4 to 2, 1. Now I can play that starting with my index finger. So you just want to practice that. Now I can take that. All right, there's a little ending, and all we did was now I'll block it. One more variation. I'm going to play 2 notes at a time. Play a simple little ending. Now I'm going to play 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. I'm going to hit my E lever. So it sounds like this. Well, I'm going to play it with my 4 fingers. Watch. Again. Let me play it with just, most guys would play thumb 2 and go. All 3. That's fret 3, 5, 6, 8, A, B down. So let's do that again. This time I'll just play it with index and middle. Now, if you play index and middle on the last ones, right here, you're already on the strings you need to be. So we started with this. That's the minor, so if that's be a A minor, now I'll play that same lick, making an A major. I'm hitting my F lever. Minor. So you got to practice. Remember, it's just a thumb 2, thumb 2. So then you get where you can play it back and forth. Then you'll have licks like this. So learning 3 and 5 and one, 2, 3, 4, 5 is really confusing, but that gives you a little way to get that first lick where it's just think thumb 2, thumb 2. A pedal, and then back it's thumb 2, thumb 2. You're just changing. This is a little open. All right, so that's going to be our quick lick today. Just start and work on that slowly. Remember, all these licks, do them slow, and then you go back, slow down. Hey, I'm Joe Wright. Quick lick number 6, 7? I lost count. I'll find out when I edit. Everybody, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you get a chance.